Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. We're on day 3 of this microphone check 1 2 1 2 cook with me challenge. So if you like watching these kind of videos, keep on watching. So for this recipe, I'm gonna need avocado oil, my yeast, some sugar, my flour, all-purpose flour. I have a heating pad. That's why I can do my bread right now on my lunch break. Clearly, I'm on my lunch break. The pan, this is a pretty good size for us. So this is the pan I use, and a mixing bowl, clearly. So let me get everything together, get a little organized so this video is... show you really quick what it looked like. Here you go. And now we're going to put it on the heating pad. And we're going to let it sit for an hour. I got my lunch still cooking. I have this little cover to go over it. And we're just gonna let it rise. So we're gonna rise though, rise. So that's it for now. We'll be back in an hour. After, right now it's 12:56. So I gotta make sure I figure out what else we're gonna do for lunch. So we're gonna let that rise. For now. Actually, I need something for underneath. Underneath. Where are you? Right here. Okay. Do you want onion rings, honey? Do you want onion rings? Alright. Fries are almost done. Alright, guys. So now we're gonna let it rise. I think I said that. We're gonna let it rise, and then we'll be back to check on it in at least 1 hour. I put the timer on for an hour and 30 minutes to let me know when it's ready. And then I did fix the recipe. I put 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of yeast or half a cup of starter, 3 cups of flour, and then I don't have the melted butter for after it's baking. We'll do that later. So let's see how this recipe comes out. The one I usually was trying was 2 tablespoons of melted butter instead of olive oil, 1 cup milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar or honey, 1 teaspoon of salt, the half cup starter or the 2 teaspoons of yeast, 3 cups with 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of melted butter for after baking. And I have tried that with egg. I don't have that recipe here. That was a separate recipe, but it was similar to this, but and then it substituted something with the egg instead of the milk, I think it was an egg or like 1 cup of water with the 1 egg. I don't remember, but this one was okay, not too shabby. I did realize the only difference was that the one with the egg did spoil faster, meaning it did got moldy faster. Maybe about, so if I bake it Sunday, by Thursday it was already moldy, versus when I didn't add the egg, it did last me a week before it started getting moldy. So let's see how this one does. Alrighty, it's been an hour. So now we're going to transfer it to here, and then we're going to cover it up, and we're going to put it on top of the heating pad again so it can actually rise again. Rise. Oh my goodness, it's Bella. Rise. Hello, Bella. It's Bella, people. It's Bella. Then, gonna make it into a bola. You can see the bola. The bola. I need to make it the size of the pan. The size of the pan. Oh. Bella, I'm so glad you're here. You came right on time. Can you get the butter spray and spray the pan for me, please? While I roll this. Bella came right on time because we know Lexington can't help. Butter spray that's up there. What? Is it? Where is it? No, there should be one down here. Oh, right there. I was gonna say those are extras. All right, roll it into a. Roll it, butter, bro, butter. Don't do too much, just a little bit. Roll. Just put me a little bit. All right, that's enough. Thank you. Don't spray your candy. All right, so this is about the lamb. It's all right. It's gonna taste like butter. It's gonna taste like butter. All right, and now we're just gonna plop it on there. squeeze it sideways. Can you guys even see that? Here we go. And just go like this. Now, this is very quick. We're going to leave it in there for another hour for another rise. And then we're going to say, rise, dough, rise. Now it's going to rise faster because this is metal and this is hot. All right, see you guys in another hour. All right, guys, we're back. It is 5:20. The bread was not rising enough, so I left it again to continue rising. Now it's almost there. I want it a little bit higher, so we're gonna start cooking dinner and let this rise a little bit more. I think it has like probably another half hour. So you see how it risen a little bit? I don't want it too tall because then it don't fit in my toaster. So this to me is the perfect size. So now we're gonna put it in the oven and bake it at literally 350. So I had the oven warming up. I'll bake it for 30 minutes. The original recipe did say 45, but my oven is brand new and it burns things. Alright guys, dinner was great. The bread is done. We're gonna pop it like a locket. Take it out of here. Still nice and warm. Cut a piece to test it out. Ooh. Actually, not too shabby. Try it with some butter. Okay. Cheers. Okay. It has more moisture. It is softer. Not too sweet, not too salty. Not too bad. But I'm so full. Alright guys. Thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.